and my name is Varshanak, and today topic is education. First of all, I want to tell you about education. A person or a child start their educations from their family and also from the teachers. Like whatever we do and whatever we things that we do in our society, it's all about the education, and education is also parallel to dignity. So meaning of dignity is if you want to do the things in the maintaining yourself, so it's known as a dignity. Education is given by the teachers, parents and friends also. It not means like we have to educate it with only the teachers. We also educate with our friends, society, parents also. The first teacher of our life is our parents. Like they told us what we want to say in the front of the people, like someone people telling in the Hindi language, English language and Marwadi language. It's all about the, like the parents told what we said and what we shared in the front of the society. So it's define the educated people. If a person is educated, then the things are become easily, like whatever he she wants in their futures, like success, so he easily work on these things. So in our life, education is a key of success, and also we have to work for our educations. If a person is educated, then he also prove their self in society and also easily achieve their dreams, because if a person is educated, then she he is also know about their dignity and what we want to what we want to do in our do for our life in success.